This is Bella Vegan Dog. She's been vegan since August 2017. It's summertime here in Italy and she had her breakfast already a long time ago, so this is just a snack that she's getting. Bella is 10 and a half years old. That's getting pretty old for a dog. But she seems to be normal and healthy still. The food she eats twice a day consists of 1 cup of vegan kibble, which looks just like any other dog food, except it contains only plants and all the vitamins and nutrients that she needs. Hi, sweetie. You want another piece? Here you go. In case you're wondering, dogs are not obligate carnivores. They are omnivores capable of thriving on a well-formulated plant-based diet. Contrary to outdated myths, vegan kibble can fully meet all of a dog's nutritional needs without using the bodies of exploited animals. Multiple peer-reviewed studies now confirm the safety and health benefits of plant-based diets for dogs. In fact, a 2022 study published by PLOS ONE examined over 2,500 dogs and found that those fed a vegan diet had fewer health disorders and required fewer vet visits. Oh, somebody wants another piece. You sure? You're not sure? There you go. The vegan dogs also lived longer on average compared to those fed meat-based commercial diets. Another independent analysis conducted at the University of Winchester found similar results, improved health outcomes, and greater longevity in vegan-fed dogs. Common concerns about essential nutrients like taurine, they have all been addressed. Taurine, along with L-carnitine, vitamin B12, and all essential amino acids are included in properly formulated vegan dog food, just as it is in meat-based kibble. Except why would you pay for murder if you don't have to? Most people claim to love animals, but then at the same time they pay people to hurt them and then bring their bodies into their homes, and it's completely unnecessary. From an ethical standpoint, feeding dogs a vegan diet removes one of the most overlooked contradictions in our society. People who claim to love animals are suffering from cognitive dissonance if at the same time they feed their dogs ground-up corpses of others who were violently bred and confined and slaughtered. Meat-based dog food is a byproduct of the meat, dairy, and egg industries responsible for immense animal suffering. I don't want any animals to suffer, and I know you agree with me. So look into it. Go ahead and Google it. Healthy, vet-approved vegan dog food. Order some. When you give your dog the vegan dog food, you can give it just like that, straight up, or you can introduce it gradually if you have a dog who's a picky eater. The bottom line is, though, whatever food you leave for your dog, eventually your dog will eat it, and your dog will get used to it, and your dog will learn to love it. And Bella, well, she loves her vegan dog food. She's excited to get it every day. We add a cup of water to it, and there's lots of other videos if you want to see her eating that, instead of just broccoli today. And this is only the beginning. I haven't even told you about the environmental implications, which are equally significant. But we'll get into that in another video. If you want to talk about how much you love your animal companions, leave a comment below. And in case you forgot, don't forget to subscribe and press the like button and the notification bell to help us get the animals out of hell and onto cozy beds like this. Bye for now. Good girl, Bella.